In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix high CPU load stuck at 100% on Windows 11. Start by opening Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. In Task Manager, go to Processes in the left sidebar. Now click the CPU column header to sort everything by CPU usage. If the highest usage is not at the top, click the CPU header one more time until the biggest CPU users appear first. Take a moment to look at which processes are using the most CPU. Common idle culprits here include service host SysMain, search indexer, anti-malware service executable, or system. Next, click Performance in the left sidebar. In the main panel, right-click the CPU graph. From the menu that appears, click Change Graph to, then choose Logical Processors. This changes the view so you can see usage on each individual CPU core, instead of just one overall number. If most of the cores are showing low usage, under 20%, but the Processes tab was showing 100%, that usually means Task Manager is displaying an inaccurate total, and Windows Update typically resolves that. If several cores are genuinely running at 70% or higher while no user apps are open, continue with the fixes. Now open the Services tool. Press the Windows key plus R. In the Run box, type services.msc. Say it naturally as you enter it, services.msc. Then press Enter. The Services window will open and show a full list of Windows services. Click anywhere in the list, then type SysMain so that SysMain becomes highlighted. Double-click SysMain to open its properties. In the Startup Type dropdown, select Disabled. Then click Stop to stop the service right away. After that, click Apply, then click OK. SysMain, formerly called Superfetch, preloads frequently used apps into memory, and that can cause large CPU spikes even when the system is sitting idle. Disabling it is often the most effective fix for idle CPU drain. Back in the Services window, click anywhere in the list again. Now type Windows Search until Windows Search is highlighted. Double-click Windows Search. Open the Startup Type dropdown and select Disabled. Click Stop. Then click Apply, and click OK. Windows Search continuously indexes files in the background, and that indexing can keep CPU usage elevated when the computer is not actively being used. Disabling it stops that indexing activity. Now go back to Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape again if it is not already open. In the left sidebar, click Startup Apps. Here, look through the list for apps that are enabled and that you do not need running automatically when Windows starts. Common items in this category include game launchers, cloud sync programs, and chat applications. Right-click one unnecessary app and click Disable. Then continue through the list and repeat the same action for other apps you do not need at boot. Disabling startup apps reduces the number of background processes that begin running as soon as Windows loads, which lowers CPU competition while the system is idle. Next, click the Start menu on the taskbar. Type Windows Security. Say the words as they are entered, Windows, then Security. When Windows Security appears in the results, click it. In the Windows Security window, click Virus and Threat Protection in the left sidebar. Then click Quick Scan. The scan will take a few minutes to complete. Malware can run hidden processes that use CPU in the background without clearly showing up in Task Manager, so this check is important. If Windows Security finds any threats, follow the on-screen prompts to remove them. After you finish these steps, open Task Manager again and check the CPU usage. On an idle system, the total CPU usage should now be around 1 to 10% instead of staying locked at 100%. If you disabled SysMain and Windows Search, you should usually see the drop immediately, because those two services alone can account for a large share of idle CPU drain. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.